Terraform is a tool for provisioning cloud infrastructure. So this video is a part of a series. Just check the playlist for this series. We're also continuously expanding this series, and we're going to teach you everything there is to know about Terraform. So subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also check out the links in the description. So Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool, or IAC tool. So basically the idea here is that you're going to define your infrastructure, your virtual machines, whatever types of servers, Docker containers, or whatever else, you're going to define it using code. Like you see on the left here, you see a definition of we basically see a snippet of code, and that defines what server resources you want to have created. So infrastructure as code. So it's declarative. So you basically declare the desired state that you want. So you define the desired state, and when you run it, Terraform will make sure that your infrastructure is in that state and do whatever it has to do, whether it means spinning up servers, shutting down servers, changing configs, whatever else. So it's considered safe, consistent, and repeatable, or that's the goal that we shoot for with Terraform. So it also allows us to version, reuse, and share our configurations. So we can create whole configurations of servers and whole setups of multiple different servers, and you can recreate this in a consistent, repeatable fashion, and you can save this and update different versions of it, and so on and so forth. Share it with other people. They can replicate what you have done. You can also use it with, one of the great things about it is that you can use it with the version control systems like Git. So just like I mentioned in the previous slide, you can you can version it. Well, it works great with Git. It's really terrific. Major use case for it. So Terraform works with multiple cloud platforms. So you have all sorts of different things, everything from Kubernetes to Proxmox, Docker, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and a whole ton of other platforms. They're basically all accessed using plugins that are kept in the Terraform registry, which is like a repository for different plugins run by HashiCorp. And you can also get third-party plugins as well, and you can write your own plugins if something doesn't have support for it. But practically everything out there does have support for Terraform. It supports so many different platforms. There's a ton of stuff in the Terraform registry. It's amazing. Anyways, providers. These are the plugins we mentioned previously. They are plugins to work with specific cloud platforms and services. So this is just the terminology we use to describe those. They're called providers. Resources. Resources are units of infrastructure. And modules. Resources can be grouped together into modules. And the state file. So we basically store the state, or Terraform stores the state, the known state of your infrastructure using a state file. It can be kept on your local machine, or in production more often it's stored remotely on something like S3 storage. Now, this video is part of a series. Check the playlist for the entire course. This is basically like a little mini course I put together. We are expanding the series. By the time you watch this video, I will have published the core of the series, so you're going to have all the core stuff to become competent with Terraform by the time this video is published. I'm publishing them all together in one shot. This is just the intro video. The next video and the one after that is going to teach you all the actual commands and code that you use to work with Terraform and bring you from zero to pretty much competent. Now this is going to be the start of this. We are going to be expanding it, showing you demos of all sorts of different things to do, and we're going to be adding more advanced videos as we go along, so check back. We are going to be adding to this series. But yeah, the series is going to be expanding, but by the time you watch this, it's going to be pretty good so far. Anyways, subscribe, hit the bell icon, otherwise YouTube won't let you know when we do come out with new videos. And remember, check the links in the description, because I will try to link to the other videos, and I'm also going to link to my site where I have like code snippets you can copy and paste, and it's a little bit easier to follow along rather than just trying to type what I put in my videos. So yeah, check the links in the description. A lot of helpful links, and each of these videos is going to have links to things like how to set up the AWS CLI and how to install Golang and whatever other supporting information you might need to go along with this Terraform series. So Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.